Spreading the word, unlocking the power of communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about sharing information, to spread the word. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding this expression can add a new layer to your communication abilities. So, let's get started and unfold the meaning behind spreading the word. To spread the word is an idiomatic expression that means to share information with many people, to make sure that as many people as possible learn about something. Imagine you have exciting news or an important message that you want others to know about. Using this phrase captures the essence of broadcasting that message far and wide. While the exact origin of "to spread the word" is hard to pinpoint, it's clear that the phrase has biblical roots, where the concept of spreading the teachings or the word of a higher power was common. Today, it has evolved to encompass any act of sharing information across different mediums, be it word of mouth, social media, or any other form of communication. Using "to spread the word" in conversation or writing is straightforward. It's often used when encouraging others to share information about events, campaigns, or news. For example, we're organizing a charity event next month. Can you help spread the word? I've started a new business. I'd really appreciate it if you could spread the word among your friends. It's a versatile phrase that fits various contexts, whether casual or formal. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday situations. Spread the word that the meeting has been postponed to next Friday. The local library is having a book sale this weekend. Let's spread the word so more people can take advantage of it. These examples highlight the phrase's role in enhancing communication and ensuring that information reaches a broad audience. Understanding and using phrases like "to spread the word" can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. It's not just about the literal act of sharing. It's about connecting with others, building communities, and making sure important messages are heard. We hope this video has helped demystify this expression for you. Keep spreading the word about learning English, and don't forget to share this video with friends who might find it helpful. Until next time, happy learning!